How to fix auto connection is not working in Moto G Stylus. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, check charger. After check charger, clear cache of Android updates. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on apps. Now here you will see app search Android update app. Now click on Android update app. Scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Android update will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system updates and click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix auto connection is not working in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.